What's up, guys? Jason here at the Mentor Show. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for being a subscriber. Alright guys, so it is the last day of May. It's May 31st. Trying to get a few things done here around the house for Maggie's party, and one of them is the skirting around the porch. I'm going to fix that up and finally finish the gate. I don't have a deck on the back yet, but I definitely want to finish up the gate. So we have to go into Home Depot and probably get a sheet of that plastic fake looking wood that I used for the skirting, because I was short and I don't have enough for the door. So we got the truck out, got the trailer on here, and let's head to Home Depot. Here we go. So here we go. I want to go ahead and remove those bricks that were in front of the gate here for the crawl space, because they were impeding the door opening up. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of shoveling and leveling that off a little bit, but that was definitely the first part we had to do to get a nice level spot there for the gate. So let's go dump us in the my little storage pile in the back, and let's start ripping that plastic sheet of wood I got to make the planks I need for the gate. Alright, trying to see if this thing fits. What me and Maggie did was we went ahead and notched this out to fit around the spigot. So I think we're good. Nice tight fit there. So that'd be nice. Alright guys, so it's going good right now. Me and Maggie set up a little work area here. Put our sawhorses and our miter saw here, and our tools, and we just got done ripping all the wood. Now it's just a matter of go ahead and putting this all together here. So here we go. Alright guys, we're just putting the spigot back in here. Very nice. Very good. That thing is not going nowhere. Okay, great job. All right. Maggie says the door. We're going with the door, huh? All right, Mag. So where are we gonna go? I'm gonna get after it, kid. Say hi, Maggie. So me and Maggie, we got it all done, and that's how it turned out. So not too shabby. Spacing's a little bit weird, but I think I got it where it needs to be. And now she'll fully open. She'll open up. I got her to about right about there, and then we can access under there. But I think that'll do it. So I just gotta wipe it down a little bit with a rag, clean up all the stuff. But all right, so there you guys go. That's what we did on Saturday. But yeah, next video will probably be about the trailer. I got the part in for the spare tire, so we'll work on that part. But yeah, I think this is all buttoned up. Me and Maggie, we put a little piece of trim, like a trim piece right here, a vertical one, just to kind of hide that one. I didn't want to do individual little 2-inch, so we just did a strip there. So I think it looks good. I'm happy with it. So, all right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your subscriber. We'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.